design tutorial. I'm Brian with EventBank. Today I will show you how to set up venues, tags, and badge designs. To save an event venue, go to your organization settings and click on Venues underneath your event settings. On this screen, you can edit and delete saved venues and set a default venue. Click the button in the upper right corner to create and save a new venue. This will bring up the option to search for the venue using location data or keywords. Your suggested venue will automatically fill in the details, and you can fill in other details as needed. Click Confirm PIN, save as new venue, and your venue is now saved. To create event tags, click on Tags underneath Event Settings in your organization settings. Tags will help customize and organize your events, and they are split into two types: public, which are visible to your attendees, and private, which are visible only to your team. You can add a new event tag by clicking the button at the top right, giving the tag a name, and clicking Create. To create and save a new badge template, click on Badge Designs underneath Event Settings in your organization settings. Click Create Badge Design Template in the upper right corner. Choose a name, a size, and click Create. By default, the badge will include a QR code, the attendee's name, their organization and title, the name of the event, and your organization's logo. On the left, you can choose to include more information from the CRM or the event, and you can add custom information like text, images, or shapes. You are also able to edit the text by choosing different styles, sizes, and fonts. Once you're done editing the badge, click Save, and this template will now be able to be used in your events. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you next time.